Hang 'em High is played on a 12 feet by 12 feet field with 3 slanted arcs with indents that act as goals. 4 robots start in the colored squares. There are 2 teams called alliances with colors red and blue respectively. They must fit inside an 18-inch by 18-inch by 18-inch space and can be placed in any fashion as long as some part is touching the colored square. 4 cones are placed in the center. These are worth 5 points each. They can be scored by being placed in a color tile. The score will go to the alliance of that color. A total of 16 unscored game pieces are placed on the field, next to each starting square. Regular game objects can be scored in 2 ways, either by pushing them into the colored squares or by hanging them. Hanging them is worth 2 points, and placing them in the squares is worth 1 point. An alliance controls the goal if they have the majority of the game objects on the goal that is theirs. An extra point is awarded for each goal that they control. 6 game pieces are scored on the goals, 1 of each color on each goal. The match starts with a 20-second autonomous. There is a 10-point bonus awarded to the winner. Robots can be scored by knocking objects off goals or pushing objects out of squares. 3 of the 4 robots have an autonomous. Blue has a raw score of 6 and controls no goals, making for a final score of 6. Red has a raw score of 10 and a bonus toe for controlling 2 goals. That's a total of 12 points. Red receives the 10 autonomous bonus. Next up is a 2-minute driver-controlled period. The robot on the blue alliance is finally moving. A robot on the red alliance grabs 2 cones, then throws out 2 blue objects. Pieces thrown out will not be replenished. The other red alliance robot descores blue and then flips. Alliance members can help each other get up if flipped. The final score for blue is 14. Red has a raw score of 22 with a 10-point autonomous bonus and a 2-point bonus for controlling 2 goals, making for a final score of 34. The red alliance wins!